Check out this hydraulic dog grooming table that was recently gifted to me. This thing is so solid, so sturdy. It is made incredibly well. It can hold up to 350 pounds. So for me to sit on it, it has no issues whatsoever. So this is great for large dogs, small dogs, really any size dog. And with it starting at 22 inches of height, it makes it really easy for any dog to be able to get up there, or if the dog needs assistance, it makes it really simple for you to be able to pick up the dog and put them on the table. With the hydraulic lift here, we'll be able to actually raise this all the way up to 39 inches, and it's very easy to use. We just have our foot pedal here to jack it all the way up, and I will show you guys how to do that. But first, we're gonna go over the rest of the features with this table. The table here is a non-slip waterproof surface, making it easy to clean. It is also 43.3 inches long and 23.6 inches wide, giving you a very large surface to be able to groom your dog. Up here we have our table bar with 3 leashes, and these are all adjustable. So once your dog is up on the table, you will be able to adjust this, and these bars are also fully adjustable. This right here is attached with a clamp, so we can loosen this up and remove it if we wanted to. And the same thing with this top bar. You can see the adjustments here, so if we wanted to take this off, we could, or we can adjust it to lower it depending on the height of your dog. So I'll go ahead and jack it up here so you can see the full height. Now to raise it, you just want to go about halfway. If you depress it all the way down, that's how you lower it. So we're just going to pump it up here until it is at its maximum height, which is going to be right about here. There we go. So we're at max height right now, and that is waist level for me. I'm 6 foot. So if you're curious about how tall that is on a person, it is waist height. Now when we want to lower this, it will lower nice and smooth. We're just gonna, our foot lever right here, we're just gonna depress it and it's gonna lower all on its own. Super safe, super slow, which is absolutely perfect. But overall, this is a great dog grooming table. This is what the professionals use. So if you're looking for something, whether it's for your grooming business or for you personally at home, this is gonna do it. It has absolutely everything you need. I love the durable construction, all the stainless steel hardware. This thing is going to last a very, very long time. I am very happy with it, and I would definitely recommend it.